What's going on, everybody? In this video today, I try to fix my misfire. I was taking my injectors out of my head here, popping my fuel rail off, and I was seeing if my injectors were leaking down. I was also trying to fix my my fuel and my oil. I had a bunch of fuel in my oil. I don't know what that's about, but I think we'll figure it out here later on in this video. As for right now, I'm pulling the fuel rail, get my injectors out, and I'm gonna get to that, clean them up a little bit. We're gonna see what happens. Alright, I got the fuel rail off. I got all the injectors sitting right here. Some of them are pretty filthy. I'm not sure what I want to do at this point. Here's the fuel rail. Every single one of my injector plugs broke, and I mean every single one of them. I might have to rewire those. I might order some better injectors for the turbo, you know, the whole turbo build thing. But yeah, it's not too hard to pull this fuel rail. All you gotta do is just disconnect these two lines for fuel pressure return, undo your fuel pressure regulator, which is right here, the little solenoid for it, and then fuel pressure regulator is bolted on the rail right here. Undo the lines, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm gonna do from here. I don't have the parts. I was just seeing if I could fix something easily. They're in rough shape, dude. I don't know what I'm gonna do from here. I guess we'll find out. Alright, so what I just did is I tested all the injectors by zip tying them to the rail and pressurizing the fuel system. A couple of the O-rings were shot, so I went to the parts store, grabbed a kit, and replaced all the O-rings. And I didn't have any leaks. So now I'm thinking that my my blow-by is just that bad to make my oil smell like fuel. Alright, got the injectors back in, everything's buckled up, no leaks. We're gonna see. I did some revving just now, and it sounded a lot better than before. Way more responsive. The misfire seems to not be there as bad. When I used to hold it at 2,000, it used to be a really bad misfire, like pop, 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 pop. Now it seems good. We're gonna see. There's a lot more power. Wow. I don't know what I did. I just kind of cleaned them up in a parts washer. Well, honestly guys, the power was pretty much the same. I still need to change the oil. I think all the fuel in my oil is from my blow-by. But I just found the source of my misfire. Sticking in here with this wire. And then up. That's fuel injector power. So I'm gonna run a new line right there. I don't have the harness connection for it. Alright, so it's the next day, and we got the miata out. I lowered the back a little bit more. I had it a little high from when I had to replace that shock. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take it around today, strap you guys in on the roll bar, and go for a little ride.